In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a passkey in Discord. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Discord on your device. Go ahead and sign in into your Discord account. Now, once you're signed in into your account, go ahead and click on the U button, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you into your profile. Now, on your profile, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, and that will take you into Discord settings page. Now, on the Discord settings page, go ahead and look for account. Go ahead and click on account, and that will redirect you into your account settings. And here, go ahead and click on security keys, which you'll find under the how you sign in into your account. Click on the add button at the top right corner of your screen, and here, as you can see, you can create a passkey with your password manager. You can create a passkey with your Android device, and you can enroll your Android device or an external key as a security key. Select a method to register a security key. Click on the Let's Go button once you're ready. After that, this will redirect you into the section where you'll need to verify this action with your Discord password. After entering your password, go ahead and submit your password. After this, you'll need to name your security key in this section. You can name it whatever you want and click on the finish button once you're done naming it. In this section, you'll be able to find all of the available backup codes that you can use to enter your account. Go ahead and take a screenshot of this area to be able to easily find it whenever you need to. And that is how you can simply create a passkey on Discord.